everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a project that's turning head in the crypto world. The coin with no name, driving the future, simplify AI development to power the next wave of intelligent automation. First we have the pre-sale. Here you can check it out. The pre-sale start in 31 days, 9 hours, 19 minutes and some seconds. First we have the whitelist. We will send you a link to claim your token when the pre-sale starts. Check your junk folder for the confirmation email. Simply write your email address and then click on sign up. Next we have their roadmap, that coin with no name roadmap, milestone toward a smarter tomorrow. We have mapped out a clear path for the coin with no name backed by expert insight and focused execution. Our roadmap lays out the key milestone ahead as we build a powerful AI-driven ecosystem on the Solana blockchain. Take a look at what's coming. Here you can check it out their phases. Phase 1, Concept and Research, Q2 2025. Finalized tokenomics, smart contract development partnership, marketing launch, pre-sale opens, finalized team, HLD, LLD completed. Phase 2, MVP Q4 2025. Release demo version of AI bot builder, conduct security audits, launch influencers marketing campaign, pre-sale and increase social media presence. Phase 3, Beta Launch Q1 2026, Token Launch, Public Beta Launch with AI Model Marketplace, Staking and Governance, DX to CX Listing. Phase 4, Ecosystem and Expansion Q2 2026, Cross-chain Functionality, Expand bot capabilities, Onboard businesses, Integrate third-party APIs. Phase 5, Global Adoption and Scaling Q4 2026. Secure further DEX and CEX listing, global marketing campaigns, mass adoption strategies. Here you can check it out, the roadmap. The coin with no name. The coin with no name, driving the future, simplifying AI development to power the next wave of intelligent automation, as I already told you about this. Focusing on what matters most, the coin with no name is set to revolutionize AI automation by making bot creation simple, efficient, and accessible to everyone. Powered by the coin with no name tokens, the ecosystem ensures a robust economic model that benefits users, developers, and stakeholders alike. Join us on this journey to shape the future of AI automation. Revolutionizing AI automation, making AI-driven solutions more accessible and efficient, bridging AI and usability, eliminating barrier with initiative user-friendly interface, empowering user, providing tool to build, deploy, and manage AI bot effortlessly, leveraging blockchain, utilizing Solana's speed and low cost for seamless AI integration. You can also read their white paper. I am showing you their white paper. Here you can check it out, the concept and further more details. The coin with no name is the next generation Solana-based cryptocurrency powered by AI-driven bot development ecosystem. It allows users to seamlessly build, deploy, and monetize AI-powered automation solutions without technical barriers. There are a few chatbot builders out there, and there are companies that will change your thousands to build a bot for you. But what if you want something more than a simple chatbot? What if you have bigger ideas for AI? Then you need to be a developer. That coin with no name will change this and democratize AI. Unlike traditional AI bot platforms that are expensive, centralized, and complex, the coin with no name is built on three core principles: speed and low cost, no code AI development, and decentralized AI economy. You can also check it out, their whole white paper. They have a lot of information about their project. This is an amazing platform. Next we have the team. Here you can check it out, their team. We are a laser focused team of builders, strategists, and tech experts with hand-on experience on blockchain, AI software development, business, and growth. We know how to take idea from concept to reality, and we bring that know-how to everything do we at the coin with no name. Here you can check it out, their team members. They have amazing team members. Next we have their pre-sale. Here you can check it out, their pre-sale. Number 1, connect your wallet, Phantom, Solfair, and etc. Number 2, choose your investment amount. Number 3, secure the coin with no name tokens. Number 4, watch the price rise as we move to the next stage. And here you can check it out, their price, token available, and increase from stage 1. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. Next we have their highlights. Here you can check it out, their highlight. AI is the future, but building AI bot today is complex, costly, and out of reach for most businesses. The demand is huge, yet there is no easy scalable solution. The coin with no name is building the first blockchain-powered drag-and-drop AI bot builder, allowing anyone to build, deploy, and monetize AI-driven bot in minutes, no coding required. Here is why you should invest. Here you can check it out, all this stuff, massive market opportunity, first mover advantage, strong tokenomics, revenue generating model, and scalable and fast. This is an outstanding platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. For the latest update, you must join their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news, posts, and comments right here. This is a fabulous project, and you can also follow them on other social platforms like their Facebook page, their Discord, their TikTok account, and furthermore. I hope you like the video. So if you are looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on the coin with no name, with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. It's positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.